Am I on?
Yeah.
All right. So we're just discussing the hardest part about filming these videos is the introduction. What do we say? Anyways, Alexis and I, we've wanted to do videos forever. So we're just starting some cooking videos. And she's in the process of creating a YouTube page for us. It's going to be called Happy Living. What was the other thing we were thinking?
I don't remember. Done.
Happy
easy.
Living for Life. Okay, there you go.
Right.
Let me know what you guys think our name should be. Okay, so tonight we're going to learn how to make popcorn. I'm going to get it going right away because we have to get the oil going. Come on, Alexis. First thing we want to do is we want to have a pretty thick pan with a nice lid that closes very good on it, okay? Because we don't want oil running out. So we're going to turn this on high. I'm always so proud of myself when I get the right knob. But anyways, this is what you're gonna need. You are going to need canola oil. This is the best thing to make homemade popcorn. And we're gonna need salt, and I like it in this big container, not in a little salt shaker. And then I suggest that you have white popcorn, and it can be off-brand, it doesn't matter. But I like the white kernels better than the yellow kernels. The yellow kernels get bigger, but they have like harder shells or something. They can hurt your teeth a lot more than the white
They're
kernels.
chewier, like.
Right, and white kernels are a lot more fluffier. So we're gonna go with white popcorn. We're gonna have a popcorn bowl. You'll need a couple of hot pans because your pan's
Hot
gonna get
pans.
hot. Whatever
Hot
these
pans
are.
for your hot pans.
And you need to do this in hot pans. So anyways, and you'll need a big, clean paper bag. All right, so come on over to the oil, Alexis.
There's no oil in there yet.
Oh no, but we have a pan in here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you. Just turn that on. Oops. So we're gonna put oil in, and this is canola oil, remember. We wanna put just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. You don't wanna put too much because then your popcorn will be soggy. But if you don't put enough oil, your popcorn will be really dry, okay? So I'm gonna open my popcorn. In here, you can already see the oil is starting to get hot. And what is recommended is that you put one kernel in there, and when that kernel pops, then the oil is hot enough to make your batch of popcorn. Okay, while that's getting hot, I just want to say that popcorn really has been a part of my life for all of my life. When I was younger and homeless, living in a car, I would meet people all over the United States and ask them to come into their kitchen, and I would make popcorn, put it in the brown paper bags, then I would make whole great big garbage bags full of popcorn. That's what I would live on. That would be my food. Okay, so if you come over here, that little kernel is just going, and sometimes I will put it in a little bit early, and I think it's okay. One thing you don't want to do is burn your oil. So I'm going to go ahead and put my popcorn in. And when you put your popcorn in, you want just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And you want to wiggle it a little bit so it spreads out evenly all across the bottom of the pan. Okay, so once we do that, we want to put the lid on it. This can get very messy as it gets popping. And I want to get my pot holders ready as well. So now, if any of you are watching this video and you have popcorn experiences that you remember sharing with me or Alexis, go ahead and put your comments down below. All right, so once it starts popping, you want to shake it continuously. If you stop, it can burn. And if you notice, I just want to make sure you know my burner is on high. You do want this as hot as possible. As we shake like this, not only does it keep it from burning, but it just keeps the harder kernels down at the bottom so they pop. And they don't get up inside the kernels that are growing inside of our pan. Okay, if you listen, you heard a bunch of crackling, if you can hear it. Now we're starting to not hear it quite as much. I know my popcorn's almost ready. As you can see, this doesn't really take a whole lot of time either. Okay, I'm going to shut that off. Put that in there. And then you put this in there, and you want to get it in there right away. That's good. And then, what do I do with everything? Then you take your salt, and you shake it like this. And then you take your bag and you shake it like that. And then we put more in here. And then we'll shake it one more time and you've got it made. Now what this does when we put it in here is that it gets all the oil, if there's any in there. Okay, you can leave it in there for a while, or you can just put it in your pan. I could have put it in the silver pan to begin with. But look how beautiful that is. This is all ready to go right now. What?
Those are the yellow kernels.
Oh, shoot. So we do have a couple of yellow kernels, just so you can kind of see a difference. But see how the actual hard part of the kernel is smaller on the white corn than on the yellow. So the yellow is, I think, worse for your teeth. So there we go. We are ready now for family fun night, movies, whatever. We've got a beautiful dish. It doesn't cost hardly anything to make, and you'll be a star. Kids love it. Nobody gets homemade popcorn anymore, and it's a real treat. It's the only way. Once you make this and realize how easy it is to make, you won't buy microwave popcorn anymore. So cool. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.